Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you latest and trendy jacket style saree with blouse ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, nowadays jacket style sarees are very popular. Saree have evolved a lot in a few past years. There is a so many experimental with a traditional sarees, whether it is the saree dropping style and using accessory with the sarees or a different fabric of the saree with blouse. This kind of technique is simply awesome and amazing. Friends, this video we are showing you some of the best jacket style saree with blouse idea for your reference. Friends, if you wear this kind of jacket style sarees, sir, you look so amazing and very classy. These kind of sarees are highly trendy and fashionable saree for the wedding and any kind of parties. If you wear a jacket, it gives you quite classy look. The saree matching jacket that reach the knee is also add to further enhance this overall styling look. Friends, the sleeve of the jacket sarees are quite popular at present. These kind of innovative jacket style sarees are very popular nowadays. This kind of jacket style ready-made sarees are very popular for the younger women because they are easy to wear. In fact, the ready-made jacket sarees are easier to wear and you do not have to worry about the dropping going wrong while you dancing or do some other activities. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends.